Hello, my name is Nakeya, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice, and today is day 12 of VLOGMAS. Today I attended the McGannon Showroom Christmas Open House, and what a fun time it was indeed. So this was actually my second year going to the open house, and McGannon Showroom is a very beautiful, very stunning showroom which is in the Dallas Design District. Right now, as of the taping of this video, they are on Highline, but they will be moving at the beginning of the year to a new location. So stay tuned. I will have that information at a later date. But anywho, the showroom is stunning. It has tons of various, very nice and very good high quality vendors. So for the open house, they had a caterer that came in and just prepared like the wonderful like tacos and enchiladas and everything. I think it was called like Mr. something taco, Mr. Hot Taco. So it's so neat and so funny. He has like the little tricycle with the taco stand and everything. And then you have like all of the fixings. You have the pastor and the chicken, the fresh guac, all of that stuff. I mean, it was just simply fabulous. And you know me, I'm all about the food. And then it also had nice charcuterie board style items as well. So, you know, true fashion, they have a little food, and then you can walk around and just view the showroom. So once again, the showroom is simply stunning. It has, oh my God, I think maybe 50 different furniture lines, high-end furniture lines. Now this is one of my favorite pieces right now. This bed with, oh my gosh, look at it. It is just simply gorgeous. So they had some vendors there, so you can walk around, talk to some of the vendors, get an idea about some of the things that are new and upcoming. Like I said, the showroom is fabulous. You know, many of these things are actually custom. So if you like the style of a sofa or a chair, you can actually get it in whatever fabric you want. Now this day bed right there was just simply beautiful. I love it. It's right when you come into the front of the showroom. So there was a good time to get and speak with other interior designers, other design professionals in this setting, because McGannon Showroom is huge and it has so many, anything that your client can ever want. I mean, look at this pink chair. That is like simply stunning. And you know, the decorations, everything is basically for sale. If you see some books, some decor books, they are for sale. The lighting fixtures, they are for sale. The lamps, tables, chairs, armoires, anything you can imagine to complete the look. And it's great. So they have some of the best showroom designers that can help you if you are, you know, a new designer and you need help just trying to get a feel of what you're trying to look for your client, or if you are a customer, they have like everything. Now, I'm going to show you now the fabric samples so you can create your own masterpiece. So like I said, I love this showroom. It is so beautiful. It is so stunning, and it's right here in the Dallas Design District. So one of the other things that they do during the open house is have a giveaway. So I donated one of my planners for the giveaway, and I don't remember who actually won it, but I really hope she enjoys it. I donated the Divine Life and Home Planner for 2025. They also had other things that they were giving away for the raffle, other decor pieces. There was a beautiful lamp. There were pillows. And I don't know if you guys remember, a couple months ago, I actually won a console from off of social media. I shared a picture and tagged, and then I won it. So McGannon's is just, I love them. I cannot express how much I do love them. But anywho, stay tuned, because within the next month, I will be attending their open house, and I will be sharing that information on the YouTube channel, on the blog, and also on the Instagrammer. So once again, I had a fabulous time. Anytime McGannon has anything, I will definitely attend. They are always having CEUs for interior designers, and just, you know, good workshops, lunch and learn sessions. It is a fabulous interior design showroom. It's one of the first ones that I actually reached out to once I became a certified interior designer. So anywho, thank you very much for watching this video. I had a fabulous time today. I am halfway through Vlogmas and I am so excited. And there's my there's my planner. She's getting ready to auction it off to, not auction it, but getting ready to do the giveaway to give it to someone. So anywho, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more of my Vlogmas. So thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.